How's it going, legends? Here I am flying the drone around again and found another VF in the car park. The same car park, by the way. So I'm going to call it the VF Sesh. There's two VFs in the same day. Help us out, guys, and chuck a like and subscribe on the page if you think the content's okay. Gonna give it some stick. G'day guys, welcome back to the Commodore Garage. So it's a VF Sesh today. Second VF in the car park. Plenty of circle work here on the ground, guys, but we didn't do it. Say hello to this fine man here.
How you going, Ross?
Yeah, good. We're up at a car show. I was up at a car show a couple of weeks back and come across a young man, Dylan here, cleaning up his car, and I thought, yeah, it's good for the channel. And we're back to the box. Dylan doesn't know anything about the box, so I just explained off camera what's going on. He looked at me like, you're a bit of a weirdo, Ross. But it's all good. So same thing, at the end we'll actually put the box out, ask Dylan if he wants to have a go at the challenge in the box, and if he completes the challenge, yep, there's the Santa bag with the gift in it. And if he doesn't complete the challenge, or if he decides to forfeit, well, I'll tell him that bit at the end, but it's pretty much the same stuff each time. His box. Hey Dylan, got the name right this time. Nice ride, by the way. Beautiful. Love the blackouts on the bonnet. Mate, it looks so cool.
Thank you.
If we just have a look at that number plate there,
No
and that's got some meaning to it. Pretty cool number plate.
Yep, Ghosted VF.
Tell us about it, mate.
So, Ghosted is basically, in the past I've been always ghosted by people, so I've always gone, well, I've gone SS, D's for Dylan in the name, and then being a VF. So it's basically Ghost, and then I've added an extra S, so it makes it SS. So SS, VF, and then, yeah.
Cool.
So Ghosted VF.
Understand, mate. Totally what you're saying. Very nice.
Thank you.
Colour suits the car, of course.
Definitely.
And that's why it's that colour.
Yep.
Let's have a bit of a look around, mate. So what's your wheels you got on here, man? What
I've got the stock VF SS rims from factory.
Yep.
Just 18-inch. Nothing really much done to them. I've owned the car almost 2 years, and it's basically had 2 lots of tyres rotated all over the car. In the future, it's got possibly new rims coming, but of course that's all time and money. And
of course it's money, mate. There's big dollars these days for rims, isn't it?
But other than that, yeah, it's just the stock rims, and I'm cleaning the car constantly. Yeah,
it looks like it too, mate. It's nice and shiny. So the rims, in the future, if you do go for rims, you're not sure what you get, or do you have something in mind?
In mind, I've got 20-inch GDSR rims.
Nice.
8.5 in the front, 9.5 in the rear.
Cool.
And I'd get a full set, so I'd get a set of 5 instead of a set of 4. It just, it makes money and time. That's all it comes down to.
Of course, mate. It makes sense, doesn't it?
Yep.
Nice. So you're going to have a walk around. There's the Insta tag.
Yep.
Check it out. Nice. Twin outlet exhaust on each side. Let's dive in, mate, and have a look in the interior, please. Lovely and clean.
Yep. Aim to do the best.
Wow. Nice interior. Beautiful, mate. Beautiful.
Yeah, it's got fake and real carbon fibre.
Yeah. Is that right? Yeah,
yep.
Over there. Yep. Sweet instrumentation there. So you were saying, mate, something about some lady pulled out in front of you a while back and clipped you on the side?
So I host cruises usually on Tuesdays, but tonight I've got another cruise on.
What's the name of the cruise?
So it's Ghosted VF Cruises, so it's basically underneath my Instagram tag.
Cool.
But yeah, in early December I was hosting a cruise, and as we were leaving Midvale and just near Midland, one of my patrons, who was a good mate of mine, accidentally pulled out in front of me, and I went into the left rear of him. But you know, we're mates, and we've sorted it out peacefully. That's what you do in this type of thing. The damage it was the right front of the bumper, right headlight was pushed up, bonnet was pinched in and twisted, and the right fender was pushed in behind the headlight.
So just stand outside of Dylan's car before we go for a drive, and he tells me he's got a bit of a magic trait to himself. So let's see what he can do. So the car's just sitting there and it's not doing anything at the moment. What are you going to do, mate? You're going to tell it to start or what?
Yep. So car start up.
Oh, I love it. All right, here we are in the car after its nice little remote start, and Dylan done his bit of magic out there. And here he is ready to go for a drive. So let's go out for a drive on the road, mate.
No worries.
Another lovely interior. So second VF of the day in the car park, and there's a few skids down here, and not from us. Well, maybe one earlier. So tell us about the a little bit. We'll have a look in under the bonnet in a little bit, mate.
Yep.
Dylan's going to give it some stick. Oh, sweet. Yeah, it's pushing me back into the seat, boys.
And it's all
Nice.
stock.
It's got a nice sound to it, isn't it? So let's talk about the tune, mate. You said...
Yeah, so I when I bought the car initially, there was another one like it at Gardner Autos in Cannington, but it was black and it had a cam and all that done to it. But at the time where I was working, I didn't really want a car to get, you know, attract the cops. So when I gave this one a test drive, I basically fell in love with it. You know, it's all it needs is a tune, an exhaust, and yeah, just a little bit of power. And
don't blame you, mate, for falling in love with it.
oh, it's never let me down.
Yeah.
For what it is, you can't go wrong with VFs.
No, that's right, mate.
And you know, these cars, okay, yes, parts are hard to get for them, but you can
it's
stop anywhere and get them.
Yeah, in saying that, mate, it's a shame that, you know, Holden stopped making the cars and they give it up.
Yeah.
Yeah, she's got a nice bit of stick and note going out the back there, mate.
Yeah, occasionally I put a bit E85 in my fuel tank with some 98.
Oh, do you? Yeah.
Just cleans out the fuel system. And,
yeah, I never thought of doing that. So you don't need to do anything with injectors for that. This is a mixture.
Yep.
So what's the blend, mate?
So I put about 20-30 litres in of E85.
Yeah.
And then I put about 50 or 60 litres in on top with 98.
Okay. Yep.
So it's mainly 98. It's just the E85 mixes through to clean out the fuel system and helps with the carbons.
Oh, that's handy to know. So probably about a 60-40 mix. Oh, you got it loose, man. So you got it loose.
With traction control on.
Oh, nice little backstreet.
Yep.
Sorry about the jumping around, guys, and the camera, but can't help it, mate. This thing's throwing me around. But that's what I like.
Yep.
Yeah, she goes, man. Yeah, she's got the pull.
And that's only, I haven't even redlined out, and I'm on fourth gear at about 8 an hour.
So is that your stock exhaust on it, mate, or have you done some to it?
So the exhaust with my Walkinshaw package, which has come with the car, it's got headers, extractors, high flow cat, and exhaust system.
Yeah.
And basically, yeah, it's just a Walkinshaw exhaust. Has baffles in the rear.
Oh yeah.
So yeah.
Yeah, well, it's got the sweet sound to it.
Yep. I'll do a quick Yui because this is all the rough part.
Oh mate, yeah, we don't want to go down there. All right, here we are, guys. Just pull up on the side of the road. So how'd the car end up like this? Well, Dylan got a bit heavy on the foot, mate, and she chucked it sideways, and that's how we stopped. But yeah, she's got some go. So we're going to lift the hood and have a look under there and do a bit of a talk around over the motor. Cool, there it is.
Yep, so it's just a stock L77.
Yep.
It's, yeah, just got, as I was saying to Ross earlier, it's got the 315 package from Walkinshaw. It's got a cold air intake, not OTR. This is the old style of intakes before they went to OTR. It's got a massive pod filter down underneath the front left bumper.
Hidden and tucked down in there, yeah.
Hidden and tucked, and then, yeah, it's just got the extractors, high flow exhaust system, and high flow cat.
Yeah, cool. Yeah, I can see the extractors down there.
Yep. And one other nifty thing is the oil cap.
Oh, nice.
Not many Holdens got those.
Is that the GDS emblem?
Yep.
Nice.
GDS Walkinshaw emblem, yep.
Yeah. It's got a bit of heat coming out from there, man.
Oh, she gets hot, but
yeah.
the cooling system is on top.
Yeah, well, that's what you want, mate. Yeah, that's what you want. Good stuff. Oh, nice. Got the nice cackle to it. What a sweet sound. Walkinshaw Performance. So guys, just out back on the road after having a look under the bonnet. So Dylan's going to give her a bit of stick up the road for you. Oh, nice rubber down, mate. So what were you saying about the gear stick, mate?
So I drive my VF mainly in the manual sequential auto.
Yeah.
Because being an auto, I drive it in the manual mode.
Yeah. So it's just push forward the downshift?
Yeah, so it's basically a race sequential. So down is down the gears and up is up the gears. Cool. And then if I want to park, I bring it across to drive, got neutral, and then reverse, and then park, and then just back down again.
Oh, she's going. Sorry about the camera, guys, but it's how it is. It's all action. G'day guys, we're back to the box. We got back to the car park safely. Nice drive out there, mate. Thank you very much.
No worries,
yeah,
mate.
she's sweet. So the question is, do you want to have a go at the box, mate?
Sure,
or the challenge in the box?
Sure, why not?
Yeah? You don't want to take the forfeit?
No.
All right, we won't even talk about the forfeit, right? So you're probably going to go, oh, Ross, why did you do that for? Because we've got the 30-second. The 30-second dash detail.
Dash detail.
Your dash is smick anyway.
Yeah.
But anyway, mate, it's 30 seconds to do the dash.
Yep.
See how you go, mate. So that's the challenge for you.
All right.
Reckon you can do it, guys? What do you reckon, mate?
I could probably do it.
Yeah, I think it's half done for you anyway.
Yeah. All right, I'll give it a go.
Anyway, hang on a minute.
All right.
In here, there's the prize. Right, if he completes the challenge, he gets what's in there.
All right.
Hey, so here we are, guys, inside the car. And we're going to do the 30-second dash clean challenge. When I say go, mate, just hang on a sec, and I'll do a countdown. So you ready? Go, man. Oh, yeah, it's pretty easy. 5 seconds so far in. 10 seconds, we're going sweet. Yeah, he's getting a nice rubbing action going there. 15. Sorry about the camera, guys. I'm trying to get in there as much as I can. And we're at 20 now. He's getting there, mate. He's getting there. Yeah. You got 5 seconds, mate. 4, 3, 2,
done.
1. Sweet, mate. Give us a thumbs up for that. Thanks, mate. So, guys, Dylan got through the challenge all right. It was quite easy. But anyway, the challenge is not to be that difficult. It's just to have a bit of fun. I might have to come up with something later on, guys. So, putting the call out, put some comments down on the page what you think the challenge should be. Because I'm always after ideas. And also, mate, if you can, if you want to get your car featured on the channel, put a comment down as well. But here we are, we've got the nice bag on the ground there, and I think there's something in there for you, mate. Dylan, if you want to go and pick that up, open it up, see what you got.
Nice, mate.
Oh, he's got a Maguire's.
Oh, been needing
Play
one.
dirty, get clean, mate.
Been needing one. Thanks,
yeah,
mate.
There you go, man. So you got all the stuff. So
yeah.
Look, the box is a bit tattered, but I promise you it was new from Rebco yesterday. They just treated it like shit, you know. All right, cool. So, yeah, thanks, guys, for watching. I really appreciate those that subscribe to the channel and like the channel, and there'll be more content coming.
No worries.
Another sweet VF in the car park. See you around, guys. Just saying goodbye to Dylan.
Thanks for having me, guys.
Yeah, pleasure, mate. Thanks so much for showing us your car today. Very nice. So we'll see you, catch you around the traps somewhere at a car show again sometime, mate.
Definitely will, mate.
All right, easy.
Thanks, mate.
See you, mate. I think Dylan will probably give it a bit of stick up the road.